Hello guys, this is Saad and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix your camera not working on the new Windows 11. So let's begin. For fix 1, you'll have to go to your search and then type in device manager. Click on device manager. Now you'll have to click on camera and then your webcam would appear over here. You'll have to right click on it and then click on uninstall device. Now just click on uninstall, and now you'll have to click on this icon over here on the top, scan for hardware changes. After doing this, your webcam would be back over here and you'll have to restart your computer. For fix 2, you'll have to go to your search and then type in control panel. Here's the control panel. Now search in control panel troubleshoot. Now click on troubleshooting. Now you'll have to click on view all. Finally, you'll have to select the second last option which says Windows Store Apps. Click on next and it will automatically detect problems. Next step, you'll have to open run. To open run, you'll have to click the Windows logo key and R together. Now you'll have to type in this and then click on OK. Now you'll have to click on H key local machine and then click on software. Now you'll have to click on Microsoft. Now you'll have to scroll down and find Windows Media Foundation. Over here you'll have to click on platform. Now you'll have to right click over here and then click on new and select DWORD 32-bit value. Now you'll have to rename it as enable frame server mode and hit enter. As you can see, the name has been changed to enable frame server mode. Now close this and restart your computer. For the next step, you'll have to go to your settings. To go to your settings, you'll have to type in settings over here. Now in the search menu, just type in camera privacy settings. Over here you'll have to turn this on, camera access, turn it to on, and the applications which you use, they should also be turned on, because if they're off, the camera wouldn't work. If it was already on for you and it didn't work, then you can go to apps and features and then search camera in the apps. Now you'll have to click on the 3 dots and then click on advanced options. Over here you'll have to scroll down and you can see repair and reset buttons over here. You can repair the camera app and even reset it, and there's a high chance this would fix your problem. Hope this video would have fixed your problem. For more similar videos, you can subscribe to our channel. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, peace out.